Another tool that we cannot do without is machine learning. Machine learning is also a tool, a very powerful tool in data science. Now, for you to do machine learning effectively, you need this popular machine learning library in Python known as scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a popular Python library for machine learning. It offers a wide range of algorithms. That's many algorithms, like random forest, like decision trees, many algorithms that we are going to learn as we progress. It offers a wide range of algorithms and tools for classification. You can do regression analysis with this library known as scikit-learn. You can do clustering, dimensionally reduction. That is when you call it PCE. You can reduce a very large data set into a smaller version of it, but at the same time maintain the quality of the original data set. You can also use this library for model evaluation. The next to this scikit-learn is Caret, and Caret is an R package that provides a unified interface for training and evaluating machine learning models. Just like the way we use scikit-learn, you can use Caret for also your machine learning. Use this package for interface for training and evaluating machine learning models. It includes various algorithms. This library has various algorithms for processing. It helps with processing technique for building predictive models. Another tool, which is number 6 now, is big data processing. Now, in data science is not just for small data. We work with very large data. So, another tool of data science is big data processing. So, we have different framework. One of the most popular framework for big data processing is Apache Spark. This Apache Spark is a distributed computing framework that enables processing and analysis of big data. You have a very big data that you want to process, and this data cut across many geographical zones. Ordinary software, traditional software cannot handle it. So we need this software, an open software called Apache Spark. And this software provides APIs for handling large-scale data processing. You can also use it for your machine learning. Use this software for graph processing and real-time streaming analysis. So this is the most popular package of software that can help you do big data processing. Then another tool that the data scientists need is database and query. We need to query our database to be able to get relevant data. The data can be in form of the data can be stored in form of MySQL. It can be stored in database like Postgres, MySQL, SQLite, even Oracle. So for you to be able to access those data, you need some structured query language like SQL. You need SQL. So for the SQL is a structured query language. It's a standard language for maintaining relational databases. It allows for querying, inserting, updating, and manipulating data in databases. So you need the knowledge of SQL in order to relate with databases and to be able to query any form of data that you need. And other database management systems that a data scientist can work with are MySQL, SQLite, we have Postgres, we have Oracle, we have many other, maybe NoSQL. These are database management software. And these software are they are popular open source relational database management systems that are commonly used in data science projects. Another tool of data science is cloud platforms. You can't do without these platforms. Now, these platforms are online based. One of the cloud platforms is Amazon Web Services, popularly known as AWS. AWS provides a range of cloud services for data storage. Maybe you work in a very big organization, and as their data scientist, you can't but work with Amazon Web Services, it could be Amazon Web Services or even Google Cloud Platform. Now, these platforms are online based and they provide a very vast storage medium. And so, as a data scientist, you will be processing and analyzing very large data. So, from this media of data storage, you'll be able to access the data and then carry on whatever analysis that is required of you. We also have Amazon Redshift for data warehouse. These same Amazon Web Services, they also provide Amazon EMR for big data processing. They have Redshift for data warehousing, and then they have Amazon S3 for data storage. So take note of that. Another very important tool of data science is Google Cloud Platform, like the Amazon Web Services that I've just talked about. So the Google Cloud Platform offers various services for data science. Some of their services are Google BigQuery. You use this Google BigQuery for data storage and analysis. There is also Google Cloud ML engine. The ML there is machine learning. So Google also provide Google Cloud machine learning engine for machine learning. You can as well run your machine learning models inside this Google Cloud ML engine. And also we have Google Data Studio for data visualization. So which means that you can as well do your data science project on this platform. Now, data scientists work with diverse data sets. They work with either structured data. Most of these data, the unstructured data are databases. You have databases, you have spreadsheets. They work with structured data. This structured data can be in form of databases. They can be in form of spreadsheets. They also work with unstructured data. Examples of unstructured data are text, images, and social media posts. This form of data are unstructured because they are not stored in form of table. They are data that are spread and written all over. So you can see images. You have to make a structure by process them. You have to process them before you can store them as a structured data. Also, data science work with very large volumes of data. So you have to leverage on these big data technologies for handling all these uh, all this data. So, in summary, I want to say that as a data scientist, you are going to work with diverse data sets. And these data sets can include structured data. It might be structured data, maybe unstructured data. But you have to leverage on data technologies in order to handle these structures.